Evilcrossover back with another review. This is for the Hexgears A1 mechanical keyboard. Now this one is a little bit smaller than the other ones that we usually take a look at and unbox. But this one has 63 keys, their own kale chocolate switches, hot swappable, RGB backlit, Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz. You can use it wired. Just the information on the back there. And I love the Hexgears branding. Look at this box. It's just nice and colorful. You gotta love it from Hexgears here. They always have great packaging, and this one actually just pops open like this. Another cool thing with their stuff. So let's see what they got. Nice cover here. They always have some kind of dust cover or plastic cover just to cover the keys. Look, they have a little mesh here too. Nice, beautiful. And look at this, nice and simple, clean. Wow. For this small, look at this, how small this is, guys. The build is nice. Look, no bend, nothing. Feel this. That's nice. They have the nice grips on the bottom of them too, so they don't move around. Brightness for the keyboard. Got the connection here, so we can plug it in, turn on and off the wireless. Look, it's already charged. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Let's turn off the light here. Let me show you. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors on it. And look, you can press this button and you can change it up. Look at this. Let's try it again. You can have static. You can have just different colors just going through. Purple. You can have it off. You can have it on. Or you can have it in a different motions here. They thought of everything. This is a fantastic keyboard. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's leave it like that. I like it like that. So what else it comes with? Typical manual. Shows you how to do everything you need. Keycap puller. And it comes with the cable. This one, sometimes they have braided, but let's see. This was just a standard cable, but this one's yeah, USB-A to USB-C. But look how it is. Look at the touch on this. Wow. Okay. All right, I see you, Hexgear. So they have some premium feeling and looking gear. So you definitely want to take a look at them. Get this nice keyboard, the A1 mechanical keyboard. Great build quality. Different colors. USB-C cable, wireless, Bluetooth. What more can you ask for in a keyboard? 63 keys. Get yours today, and we're going to catch you on the next one.